Hello everyone and welcome to FORESEES. Today we will be examining Church & Dwight Company, a company with quite high profitability. Let's dive into the technical analysis. Starting off with our main channel once again. A 40-year channel. The beauty of the logarithmic trend is already evident, as we've discussed in a previous video. It's a dual-lane road. It has been utilising the lower lane for quite some time now, but it seems like it's time to move to the upper channel as well. Now, let's take a look at the daily period. There's a nice pattern here. Let's measure its depth immediately and set a target. This seems to be our initial target at $165. I'll mark out important resistances, which we'll use as target and pullback levels. Here, I've identified from inside to outside resistance. Parallels are always significant and can reveal surprising targets. Try putting in parallels. If you don't find them significant, you can always erase them. But you can't see them without drawing. Let's add another from inside to outside resistance, which we'll use as correction levels, as I mentioned earlier. Without forgetting, let's mark a tiny stop-loss level here. The nearest stop-loss level is below $100, but the actual stop-loss level is the lower yellow historical support, which is around $85. Now, I want to place my waves. This is our first wave's target at 165, a correction to our from inside to outside resistance here. This is the third wave. Fourth and fifth waves. Let's now look at the levels. 165, then 275, and then 385, which is the resistance of our historical channel. Our analysis is complete here. If you have any questions regarding the analysis, feel free to write them in the comments. If you liked the analysis, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.